Tuloy ang trabaho ni Pangulo Aquino ngayong Kapaskuhan. Ayon kay Presidential Spokesperson Edwin Lacerda, maraming kailangan gawin ng Pangulo, partikular na ang isinasagawang rehabilitasyon sa malaking pinsalang dulot ng Super Typhoon Yolanda. Samantala, magiging simple lamang ang selebrasyon ng Pangulo kung saan makakasama nito ang kanyang pamilya sa hapunan. Disyembre 27 lamang ang magiging break ng Pangulo, kasunod na rin ng rekomendasyon ni Health Secretary Enrique Ona. Pero balik trabaho rin agad ang Pangulo sa Disyembre 30 sa paggunita ng Rizal Day. Hindi naman tinukoy ng palasyo kung bibisita ang Pangulo sa Baguio City bago ang pagpasok ng bagong taon.
The President has been going through a lot of work and has been meeting, focused on his concern is largely focused on, apart from the other matters of state, on the Typhoon Yolanda rehabilitation. We've had several meetings with respect to that. The President also visited yesterday the calamity-stricken areas and also the man-made calamity in Zamboanga. So I think the President will take a break sometime in 27th. And he will take a break from his vacation come Rizal Day.